Rebecca Akufo-Addo that she is prepared to refund the money, and she computed the money herself to the tune of 899,000 plus. And this afternoon we saw another letter written from her office also refunding the money to Office of the President. So we are here this evening to ask few questions and to also demand from her office to respond. The first question is that since 2017 that she started receiving this salary, that doesn't mean that she doesn't spend the money and she kept the money in her account all this while. If the answer is yes, it means that she did not need the money. So why did she take the money in the first place? If that is the case, refunding the money now, you must also compute the interest that the money would have accrued and pay that same to government. So we are calling on the Auditor General to go into the accounts of the First Lady and the Second Lady, first of all, to ascertain that the money she refunded is the money that she actually received. That is number one. Two, also to compute the interest that that money would have accrued if that money had been put into any interest. First Lady and the Second Lady, first of all, to ascertain that the money she refunded is the money that she actually received. That is number one. Two, also to compute the interest that that money would have accrued if that money had been put into any interest-bearing account, so that that money should also be refunded. The interest component should also be refunded. Third, to ascertain whether there is sufficient money in the account so that the check that she has issued will not bounce. Yes. The fourth one is also if she is now refunding the money, it means that she is not interested in any state fund. For that matter, all state funding of her NGO should also be audited by the Auditor General, and then all those money should also be refunded to the states, because she is not interested in receiving state sponsorship support. This is the reason why we call you this evening. That is very simple, that we welcome the refund of the money, but we need to ascertain whether that money is what she actually received. We need to ascertain what interest has been accrued on the money, so that she must also refund same. And then also, we need to call on the Auditor General to go into the account and audit the account of the First Lady in order to ascertain that when the money, the check that she issued will not bounce. So this